Hey Art Friends, today we are going to draw a donut and apple cider.
Yeah, we hope you're going to follow along because art is always better with
Friends
like you. You need your drawing supplies. We're using markers, but you can use whatever you have. You also need some
paper and something to color with.
Yeah, you're ready to start?
Yes.
Because we're using our Art for Kids Hub markers to draw and color with, we're also using marker paper to draw on. I really like this brand. It helps keep our markers lasting a long time. If you use regular printer paper, markers dry out really quick. Okay, let's start by drawing our donut. We're going to draw it down here towards the left so that we have room for our mug or glass of apple cider. We're going to start by drawing the center or the donut hole. And we're going to draw a little curve, kind of like a smile, right here, bottom left. And then we can draw the inside or the other side of the hole. And we're going to draw the donut like it's laying down on the table. Yeah. Okay, now we're going to draw the outside shape of our donut, which is a big oval shape. I'm going to start here, right about here, and we're going to come around. And then we're going to draw a thick donut that comes around and then connect. I like starting in the center at the top, and then we're going to try to keep that same distance all the way around. Yes. Good job, you did it. That looks awesome. I like your donut. Now let's draw our mug of apple cider. Let's draw the bottom of our mug. I'm gonna draw this same curve. Try to match this curve at the bottom of our donut. We're gonna try to draw curving up. We're only drawing part of it since it's behind or overlapping behind our donut. Yeah, and then we're gonna draw a straight line up. And then we can draw a straight line that's going to match over here. We want to go up to the same height. Then we're going to draw the top of our mug, and we're going to draw this same kind of curve right here. We're going to draw in between these two lines, but we don't want to connect. So we're going to draw like this. We're going to curve down, and then we'll curve back up and leave the same space on both sides. Now let's draw our cinnamon stick sticking out of our mug. We're going to draw two diagonal lines, and I'm going to space them out about that far. And then we're going to draw the end of our cinnamon stick. We could just draw a swirl to keep it really simple, or we could draw two swirls to make it a little more challenging. I'm going to draw one little swirl that comes out and connects to the side. Then we're going to go over to the other side and then swirl back in. This is tricky. If you just want to keep it simple, you can just draw one swirl. And then down the middle, we're going to draw another line or diagonal line right in the middle all the way down. Yes, good job. Now let's draw the rest of our mug. We're going to draw another curve, kind of like this one down here. We're going to draw it coming up. We're going to imagine it going behind the cinnamon stick and connecting over here on the other side. Yeah. And then we can draw the back lip of the mug coming around and matching that same curve and connecting to the other side of our mug. Now we're ready to draw the handle. Let's draw a curve coming out from the side and then connecting down to our donut. And we can draw the inside curve also to match. And we did it. There's our apple cider and donut, except it doesn't look very funny.
We're missing the funny face.
Yeah, let's draw two funny faces, one on the apple cider and one on the donut. I'm going to draw two circles for the eyes, and you could change your funny faces any way you want. I'm going to add a little highlight in the top of each eye. I can color it in. Oh, it almost looks like the donut hole is the mouth. But I'm going to add another mouth right here. I'm going to draw a curve in between the eyes, maybe some cheeks. And oh, I'm going to draw the mouth open and teeth and a tongue. Color in the center shape. There's one funny face. Let's draw another one for our mug. I'm going to draw it right here. I'm going to draw the mouth first this time. And maybe this one just has the tongue sticking out the side. Oh, and we could draw cheeks on this one too. And I'm going to draw the eyes like this. Closed but happy. Oh, and we could add little eyelashes too on this one. And we did it, Teryn. We finished drawing our apple cider and our donut, except we're not completely done.
You still need to color it.
Yes, my favorite part. We're gonna fast forward, so remember to pause the video and take time to color your drawings. You ready to speed things up?
Yes.
We did it! We finished drawing and coloring our apple cider and donut, our sugar donut. We used our white colored pencil to add the sugar on top. You guys can pause the video to match your same coloring.
Or you can color it any way you want.
Yeah, you can also use different art supplies. We used our Art for Kids Hub markers, but if you have the same set, you can use the same colors. We used 14 orange for the mug.
103 for the donut.
Yeah, and the apple cider. And then we also used a darker brown for the cinnamon stick.
94. We also used WG1 for the shadow.
Yeah, that's a light warm gray that we use down here. It makes it look a little more 3D. We also added a thicker black line to make our drawings stand out.
We hope you had fun drawing a donut and apple cider.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye.